JMC financial courses, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, derivative courses, foreign exchange courses, and above all, most popular WD GAN advanced course. We are not going to stop here. They are the courses, finance courses for non-finance community. So welcome to JMC financial courses. Thank you for overwhelming response to the first course, stock trading with price action. That course is now for more than 4.5 hours, and this has been possible just because of the support of all the students. Not only the support, but the blessings and the contribution what they have done into that course that has made it the unique. Now I am glad to introduce stock trading with GAN time cycles and trend lines. What's the GAN time cycles? GAN suggested many time cycles, hundreds or even more time cycles. But trading with hundreds of cycles is neither practical nor advisable. Why so many cycles? There are thousands of stocks, so are the many related cycles. There are different phases of the market, so are the different cycles. So what's the solution? Let's find out one or two universal cycles in this course and try it out how these work. GAN time cycles, this may be new concept for many traders, and several would have attempted and but have not been able to make it tradable. In this course, you will learn how to take advantage of time cycles for trading. In simple words, you will learn how to trade on GAN time cycles. Why trend lines? Trend lines are the bridges between the time and the price. Time and price meet on the trend lines. Trend lines work as a good support and resistance. Trend lines suggest the reversals. Trend lines are the best tool of price action. Multiple trend lines complement each other and provide multiple support and resistance. What are the sections of the course? First section is GAN time cycle. Second section is trend line, where trend lines, formation of channels, multiple trend lines and channels, pitchfork, and the regression channels are the part of it. Third and the last section, combining the two, time and the price. So, welcome to this course, stock trading with time and price, GAN time cycles and trend lines. With this, wish you happy trading and happy investing to all my students.